John, Fix a Fence. I wanted to come to you today to show you a tool that I bought off of Facebook. It's ITools.com. They show these things on Facebook, the ads and stuff, but I took the .com, the ITools.com, opened up another window and went right to the website to get it. So anyway, I wanted to kind of do a little review of the product. I got a lot of wood here, as you can see, and this is what I use to burn my wood with, or keep my house warm with, rather. And I wanted to go over it and show you how it works. I just barely put it in the other day. I just want to show you. So this here is about 1 foot, and I think it works great for these. No problem, you know. Oh, okay. It goes up on the second one, no problem. Okay, that's what I bought it for. To make kindling. Okay, but now, so that's 1 foot. Here's about a little bit bigger. That's nice kindling pieces. So I'm going to put it down on the last one here, and so it's another piece of shit sold on Facebook. So they show cutting these other bigger pieces on there now. Okay, here's a 2x4. I'm gonna put it on the bottom one, and okay, that works. Okay, that works. But now this stuff here, here's a little piece of wood. Gotta put it in there, and it just slides back and forth, guys. Another piece of shit sold on Facebook. It's only made for these little pieces like this, I'll be honest with you, where you put it up here and okay, that's what it's for something really small. Okay, you put that up there. I mean, it works great. I can't, but when you get bigger like this, okay, 18 inches, you're screwed. Another piece of shit sold on Facebook. Now I got a lot of kindling to pick up from little pieces, but that's good. That's what I'm out here for, to make a little kindling for myself. But dang it, now all these bigger pieces that I've had cut, I got to cut them again just to cut them to make this tool work. Anyway, another piece of shit sold on Facebook. They send you some screws to put it up there with. It's solid. I'm not gonna say it's not solid. It's I guess it serves its purpose for that little teeny stuff that little teeny stuff. You've seen it cut a 2x4, but you gotta, like I said, you gotta have the small stuff in there, and then of course you don't want the big knots in there either, But regardless, I mean, okay, here's something. Look at this one here. There's no knots, pretty straight, okay? We'll put that in there. And it's not that, come on, man. What the? Another piece of shit sold on Facebook. Don't they work this stuff out before they send them out? Man, so, all right, you guys, I don't know how many of you guys bought one of these, man. Let me know, I'm kind of upset, kind of frustrated because of what I got. And yeah, I'm not going to say that it doesn't work, because you've seen it work, but it doesn't do the job that I thought it was going to do. And that's the whole point. I was thinking too much more of the product than I thought, maybe I should have just passed on it like a lot of these other ones that I do. But man, I guess we got to learn, right? Just like those lab cats things, you go those Flappy Birds that fly around, right? I got a couple of cats, man, and I went and got these little Flappy Birds, right? I'm thinking that they're gonna fly, right? At least that's what they show on the video, man, on the commercial or the advertisement, right? The little birds flying around, So I go there, right, and I click on them. I buy 2 of them, like $54, man. I bought 2 of them, and I waited like 2-3 weeks for them to come in. Man, I was so excited to get them finally, and I charged them up, turned them on, right? And all it did was just stand on the ground and flop and chirp. beep, 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 flop and chirp, beep, on the ground. And the cats, I tell you, man, one of the cats was just sitting there looking at it like, what is this? And the other one, he picked it up and he played with it about 10 minutes. That was it. Done. Done. They just sit there now. One of them, I think one of them hid, you know, he goes back behind her and he hits it and it starts chirping and flapping, you know, where the hell's that coming from? But anyway, you know, so I guess it's all trial and error, man, you know. I hate doing this stuff, but you know, it's like some of this stuff's all right. You know, I kind of like this stuff. You know, like this other one. There was this other one about the blankets. Okay, I got 5 blankets that put my Fix Cements logo on it. Right, 5 blankets for $100. Now that was decent. You know, they're not the thick blankets. It's just real little, but they're soft. You know, and what it is, it's a marketing. I gave one each to my employees, so it was kind of cool, you know, and they like it, you know, so hey, 1 out of 3, right? But no, I get a lot of other stuff too, you know. Let's see, what else did I get for the cats? Something, what it was, oh, those little things that go around, you know, with a bird, and it fucking just, you know, you plug it in and it rolls on the ground, right? And now I'm all right, but now, you know, if you got a lot of cat hair, you know, and wood floors and it picks up a lot of crap like that, not good for it, because it's going to get in this little hole and it's worthless. So, but no, I had, now that one, the same cat that did the, that had time with the little flappy bird, right? Little flappy, chirpy bird, right? He was the one chasing the ball, but now, you know, the other one just stands there and looks at it. He just like, what the heck? You know? He looks at me like I'm stupid or crazy or something, you know. But that's my cheese ball. That's his name, Cheese. And the other one's Mies. Go figure, Mies and Cheese. But anyway, that's my cats. And maybe I'll show you a picture of them. Maybe I'll work on getting some videos or something. I don't know if you like that and you made it this far in the video, you know. Let me know if you'd like to see some videos of my cats. I'd like to, you know, maybe get that out here too, because it's all about Vince's family and fun, right? But today, another piece of shit sold on Facebook. But it's all good. It's all good. I'll make it work. Anyway, again, John at Fix a Fence. I just want to say, hey, you know, let me know if you guys buy any of this scrap off of Facebook and these other products, you know, and let me know what you guys get, man. It's like, oh man. Anyway, so, all right, just having fun, right? Fix Fence LLC. You guys keep smiling. Have a great day. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, why don't you hit that subscribe button? And if you like these videos, like them, so that way this channel can continue to grow. Another piece of shit sold on Facebook.